Okay. See, from this extensions, there are lot of extension. As you said, there are multiple extensions, but we are downloading the extension based on our choice. Okay, which seems helpful to us. We are downloading. When we go to React.js, there are some other extensions. We will download at that time. Okay, like similarly, we have VS Code icon extension also. Now this one. Okay, what it will do? Okay, when you download this extension, it will give the icon. See, like this. When you give the file name, it will give the its icon. Like HTML have the icon like this. When you install it, it will show the icon of HTML file. So it will help with this. So it is not necessary to download. So that's why I didn't list it out here in our notes. So just necessary, most important extensions I listed out here. Okay. So now let's come to our today's class. What we discussed in our previous class, how to install a VS Code and some extensions, and to create files we are giving 8 extensions. Like when we create a HTML file, we give index.html. When similarly for CSS we use .css, and for JavaScript we use .js. Okay, as a file name. And I told you about this auto save button. Why we use it? Like sometimes you may forget to save your code. So this code editor will automatically save your code, okay, by itself. So just you have to enable it. Here you will get this auto save option. Just click on it. Okay. Anyone get some error while downloading the VS Code?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Okay. I think you guys are already have installed VS Code. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Then we learn about HTML. We use HTML to give the basic structure of your web application. Right. Okay. Then we learn about the tags. In tags we have opening tag and closing tag. For giving the closing tag we use one slash. Right. Okay, then we learn about element. Element is nothing but which contains opening tag plus content plus closing tag. So we called it as what? Element. Then we learn about attribute. Attribute is nothing but we are just giving some extra information to a particular tag. So we will see about attribute in our today's session, like in depth. Then we learn about the. Did we learn block versus inline? No, I didn't. I don't think so. We learn about it. So we learn about block versus inline. Okay. Okay. So in our today's session, we will learn first. We will learn about block versus inline element. See, as I told you to give paragraph, we use what? P tag. Right. Suppose I am giving lorem 10. Okay. Just let me remove a little bit more. Then here I am giving one more paragraph. Randomly I am typing something. Now I am going live. See, here there are a lot of space is there. Here this much space is there, but still this line comes in next line. This text comes in your next line. Why? Because paragraph tag is a block element. Okay, I will give one color, then you will understand. It will take the complete width. I am giving style here. No need to be worried why how we are giving this. We will learn in CSS. Just for the example I am showing you. See, it is taking the complete color from here to here. Means what? The block elements will take the entire width. Like your as much as the your device width, it will take that much width. Okay. Now comes to the inline element. Inline element is we are using bold. Bold is the inline. So I am giving Fatima here. and here I'm giving one color, style, background color, let's take blue. Okay, see, it is taking the color as per its width, like as per its content. Okay, how much the content, it is taking width as much that. Okay, but in the case of block level element, it is taking the entire width, entire your page width. Okay, or you can say device width. But inline element will take the width based on its content. When you increase the content, its width also will get increased. Okay, see, it is getting increased. Okay, just I am giving one more example here. Here I am giving one more b tag, bold tag. Here I am writing month tag. Okay, see, instead of this month tag, it is coming here only. Why? Because here there are a lot of empty space. See, but in the case of paragraph tag, it is coming in next line. Why? Because these are block level element. P tag is your block level element. That's why it is starting from new line. Irrespective of having this much space, it is still it is starting from new line. But in the case of inline element, it will take the width as much as the content, as per its content, and it allows the new element, allows the new text, you can say, to comes here. Are you getting my point? Are you understanding the difference between block level element and inline element? There is a just a
Yes.
difference is block level element will take the full width. Block level element will take the full width from here to here, full width it will take. But inline element will take the width as per its content. Anyone having any doubt in this? Anyone? Okay. What about Srisha? Okay, Krish. Okay. Shirisa, Bihan, are you guys listening? Are you guys having any doubt in inline element and block level element? Should I explain it once again? Okay, see what block level element is. Block level element take the full width and inline element will take the width as per its content. This is the simple basic idea. It is taking the full width. Here we are having empty spaces, but still it is taking full width and not allowing to the other elements to come here. But inline element will take the space as per its content and allowing the different element to take come here. Okay, so this is the basic difference between block level element and inline element. Okay, we will learn about inline block level element in our CSS. Now comes to comments. Can anyone tell me why we use comments? Why we use comments? Yeah, to us. Okay, someone else?
मैं mistakenly wrote this. वो
Okay,
मतलब नहीं था मेरा.
okay. To give information for the user. Yeah, okay. So I'm discussing about,
Ma'am, we
let's,
use comments to
yeah, please tell me.
ma'am, we
Just,
use comments as to our मतलब अपने कोड को रीडेबल बनाने के लिए हम लोग कोड्स का कमेंट्स का यूज करता है.
yeah, you are right. To make our code more readable, for that purpose we use what? Comments. Okay, I'm giving you with example. So there are two benefits, you can say, using usage of comments. See, now this text is visible in our, okay, Okay, let's see. We are learning about comments. See, this text is visible in our page. When I commented out this code, this line of code, how can you comment? How can you do comment? Just you can use simply a shortcut key, that is control plus slash. Okay. When you click on this line, okay, and use control slash, it means what? You are hiding this line of code from your output. Okay, means suppose you write 100 lines of code. You write 100 lines of code. Then someone told you just remove this, don't show this in your output. Okay, in your company only, let's assume you write 100 lines of code, and they said you just remove this name. Instead of directly removing this name, like see, instead of directly removing this name, I am just commenting it. What's the benefit of commenting it? It will be not visible in your output. See, it is not visible in your output, but still it is there in your code, right? Still it is there in your code. So when someone told you just keep that thing back again, so you just can uncomment it. Just using control plus slash, you can uncomment it also. Okay, this is the one main use case. Just to remove, just to hide the unnecessary code. Instead of completely removing it, you are just hiding it. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my
Yes,
point?
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the one reason. Instead of directly removing, we are just what we are doing, we are just hiding it. So when in future, if someone tell you to just give that code back, you will just uncomment it. And will be one more reason. Suppose you write the thousands lines of code and you create a good web application. Now you want your code more readable. Why you are making your code more readable? Suppose you will not work in a single big complex project. You will not only a developer. There are more other developers also with you. Right? They can't read all your complete lines, hundred thousands lines of code. They can't read this many lines of code. Instead of that, they will write your comments. Suppose you are making some navbar, okay, some cards, like cards, like in Amazon, Flipkart, you have some products card, right? Let's go there. I will give you the example. Okay, you are creating this complete navbar, and this hero section, you can say, and this is your products. This is your products cards. Okay, and this is your footer. Okay, now you have to write the complete code for it. So you are giving some comments like this. This is the code for navbar section. Okay, so then you are start writing the code of this navbar. Then you will start coding for navbar. Okay, similarly for giving cards, this is cards section. Then to create some cards, you can use like section tag is there, and you can use div also. We will learn these tags. I'm just giving you the example. Now you want to create footer, so you will give comment like this is footer. Okay, here you will give like footer. So see, this is more readable, right? If someone see your complete code instead of seeing all the lines of code, this is just an nav. Inside it you will have multiple lines of code. They will not read this much of lines of code. They will just see your comments. They will understand this section about snapbar. This section is about cards. This section is about footer. Okay, to give some more better readability, for that purpose we use what comments. So there are two main reasons. Instead of directly removing the entire code from your editor, we are just hiding it. This is the one reason. And to give some more readability, for that purpose we use what? Comments. Anyone having any doubt in comments?
No.
Okay. What about others? Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's move ahead. Now let's see self-closing tag. As I told you, element, we call anything an element when it contains opening tag plus content plus self-closing tag, like closing tag, right? But there are some tags which doesn't need of closing tag. It will be closed by itself. Okay, like this. We are just giving a single line here, single tag here. So this kind of tags we are calling it as what? Self-closing. We don't need to close it. It will be closed by itself. Okay, I'm giving you an example. I'm just removing these comments. And here I am giving my name inside H1. Okay, now here I am giving one HR tag. Okay, see here I just give closing tag, right? Here, here I just give closing tag, not opening tag. But still it will work properly. What HR will do, it will give one horizontal line. It will give one horizontal line. Just see it. See, it is giving one horizontal line. Okay, it is not throwing any error. You are not giving a opening tag, anything. It is not saying. Why? Because it is a self-closing tag. Okay. Okay, let's give one more example about self-closing. Okay, I'm giving one more example of self-closing. See, we learn about paragraph tag, right? Here I'm giving lorem 3000, 300, let's say 300. So this is the paragraph which contains 300 words. So now I want to break this line. Now I want to, this line comes in your next line. Okay, I want to break it till here. Okay. Okay, I just want to break my line till here. I want this under UND and whatever comes in next line. So how can I do that? I can use BR tag for it. Okay. I just have to scroll. Yeah, it is here. So here I am giving BR tag. Oh, it is. Sidra, can you please mute yourself? Okay, fine. Okay, what we are saying about, yeah, I'm telling you about what self-closing tag. See, I give here BR tag, right? So that's why it is coming in next line. Previously, how it was taking, it is taking the text from here to here. But what I want to give end this line till here. So that's why I use what? BR tag. BR tag, what BR tag will do? It will break the current existing line. Okay, now suppose you want to break till from here. So you can give BR here. See it. Okay, see it is taking the text till here only. And the remaining text comes in your next line. And this complete is empty. So why we use BR tag? To break your existing line. For that purpose we use BR tag. But BR tag is also a self-closing tag. Why self-closing? See here we are not giving opening tag. Just we are giving closing, like closing tag only we are giving. So that's why we are calling it as self-closing tag. Are you getting my point? Any doubt in this? Like to the students who didn't join our previous classes, please join please watch recorded session. Then only you will be able to understand our today's session. Okay. Any doubt in this self-closing tag and in BR tag? Okay. What about others? Yeah. Okay. Should I explain it once again? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, this is a simple concept. Here we are not giving opening tag, we are just giving closing tag. So those tag we are calling self-closing tags. Now comes to fav icon, that is favicon you can say. See, here in Meet we have this kind of icon. Here in this doc we have this cloud icon, right? So here, but in our web application we are not containing any kind of icon. How can we add this? Web icon is nothing but we are adding some icon in our title. Okay, we are adding some icon like any image you can add it here. Let's see how to add it. First I am installing, like downloading one image, then we will see how to show it here. Okay, just I am copying this image and pasting my image here, right? I am removing this content. Let's see how to show this. To add one fav icon like favicon here, like some icon you want to give this image, or like in Flipkart they have their own f icon. Let me see you. Flipkart, see, they have this kind of icon, right? In Amazon also you can see it is also having a one kind of a icon. Here we are also creating a web application, we must have to know how to give a icon like this. So to give a icon like this favicon, we are just using this comment, this tag. We are giving link tag. Then inside this we are giving rel, that is relationship. Means you are giving what is the relationship. This is your icon, right? So that's why we are saying it icon. Then inside this href we are giving the actual path of that image. Just I will show you the output first. See, just remember this. Use link tag inside your head section. See, in our HTML structure, we have this head tag, right? You must have to give this link tag here only. You can't give inside your body. Why? Because this title is inside your head only. So that's why you have to give this icon also in your head, inside your head. So let's see. I just give this link tag. Then I'm giving relationship, that is our icon. Then here we have to give path of our image. Path means where our image is located. So to find the location of our image, I'm just removing it. See, just click on control plus control space. Just click on control ctrl plus space bar. It will give you the suggestion. It will give you the suggestion, then you can choose it from there. Just click on control space. It will give you, like suppose you are have multiple folder also, you can go there and choose your image. Okay, here we are having our image, just I am choosing it. Okay, just I am removing this one. Let's see it. See, now we are having one fav icon, that is favicon, our icon. Previously we just have one browser by default, that one is by default. Now we can give any kind of image here. Okay, any doubt in this, how to add this kind of icon in your tab? Okay. Anyone else having any doubt? This one is simple, easy.
Madam,
I know.
slightly, can you repeat once more? My thing?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Going slightly faster. I'm not able to understand.
Yeah, okay.
Link almost.
Okay. See what I'm saying. What we are doing here, we are just previously how it is looking. I'm just removing this one. See, previously it is showing this by default browser, right? What we want to display any kind of icon here, any image you want, you can display here. Instead of giving this simple browser icon, we want some any other image here. How can we add it? We can add it by giving the tag link. Okay, inside your head tag we are giving this link tag. Okay, inside this link you must have to give the relationship first. Rel relationship. Your relationship is icon. Why icon? You are adding one icon, right? So that's why we are giving relationship icon. Then we are giving the path of our image. Whatever the image you want to display here, you are ma'am, I was not able to attend yesterday and today. Not I joined it, but no was admitting me rejoined again. Now I missed a lot. Can you please teach me? Can you please tell me what was discussed in class so far? I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm really sorry for inconvenience. But can you please tell me what we have so far? I can at least Google. Yeah, sure. At the end, I will tell you each and everything what we have discussed till now. Just be here at the last 10 minutes. We will discuss whatever the things we have learned. Okay, Isa? Okay, see here I am giving the path of my image. So how to give the path of your image? Just click on Control plus spacebar. It will show you all the images. Like whatever the things you are containing inside this folder, it will be shown here. So it is showing my image. So I can directly select it from here. Okay. So here also you can close it. Let's close. But there is one more attribute. See, it is showing. Instead of showing the like boring browser, it is showing you the image. You are just downloaded this image, right? Now you are adding inside your title image using this link tag, giving relationship and giving the path of that particular image. Now having any doubt?
Understood.
Okay.
So that whatever we added, that yes, orange color, that is also a link, is what you're saying, right?
This orange color, yeah.
That is also a link, isn't it?
No, this is
Or
not.
it's
Yeah,
just icon, that's all.
yeah, yeah. It is just an icon. It is not a link. Just we are giving a image there. Okay, it is a image.
Okay.
To add this kind of image here, we are using this link tag. Okay, to add a image in our tab, for that purpose we use this link tag. Okay, still having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you are still having any doubt, you can ask me. Like there is no issue like you are asking multiple times. It's not like this anything. You want me some more explanation? Okay, let's move ahead. So this is the way to add one icon in your like tab name. Beside your tab name, you can add one icon. To add icon, we are just giving link tag. It is not a link, it is image only. Okay. Then we learn about this formatting tags. Yesterday we learned about this bold tag and this I tag, this U tag, del tag, ins, right? This mark also we learn small, and this sub, and this also we learn. And just now we learn about this br tag. Br tag we used for breaking the line. Now comes to this pre. Did we learn this pre tag in our yesterday's session? Did we learn pre tag? Okay, let's discuss it if we learned. Okay, what pre tag will do? Pre tag will do. See, when I am using this pre tag, I am giving my name. Okay, now see the output. See, it is looking like this, right? Now what I am doing is I am adding some more spaces here. I am adding some more spaces, but still it is not taking those spaces. Okay, it is only taking one space. Suppose I am giving this text in the next line. See, still it is will not show in next line, right? Why? Because it is not pre-formatted or preserved. Means whatever the thing you are writing in your code editor will not be displayed same in your output. Okay, so for that purpose we use what? Pre tag. Pre tag. It is a pre-formatted tag, you can say. Pre. Here I am giving my name Fatima, and I am giving Tabassum. Now let's see. See, now it is looking as it is same only, right? Now here I am giving some more spaces. See, it is taking those spaces. But in the case of this p tag, or in any tag, not only in p tag, if you use h1 h2 these tags also, it will take the space, only one space only. Okay, it will take only
What is pre ma'am? Pre means
pre-formatted.
pre-formatted.
Yeah, pre stands for pre-formatted, or preserve also you can say. Preserve. Why it is preserve? Means whatever the thing you are typing here, whatever the thing you are giving here, the same thing is showing in your output. So that's why we are calling it as preserve, right? But in the case of some any other tag, like I'm using h1, here I'm giving my name. See, I'm giving some spaces. Okay, let's see. See, it is only taking one space, but I give 2 3 spaces. Let's give some more spaces. See, this much spaces I am giving, but still it is taking one space. It means what? It is not preserved. Only pre tag is preserved tag. Means whatever the spaces, whatever the break lines you are giving, the same thing, how it is looking like this here, the same thing it will be displayed in your output as well. See, same thing looking like here. Understood? Any doubt in this? Anyone having any doubt? What about others? Yeah. Okay. So let's
So
discuss.
how many tags will be there? So now only I'm understanding the logic. So many tags are there to help us write the code whichever way we want. Or
There are no, like, we didn't count it as per our need. Like we don't have to remember it also. This
okay,
many, like 100 of like 200 also you can consider, but still you don't have to remember it. But there are some purpose. You can, like, you can use Google, you can use ChatGPT. They will help you. You don't have to remember it, but you just have to understand the logic, right? You understand the logic. For each purpose we have some tag. Like you suppose in I will give you one example.
understood. Ma'am. So
Yeah,
we ask ChatGPT to help us with the tag. It will do.
yeah, you don't have to remember each and everything. but you just have to understand the concept. For each purpose we are having some tags. Like suppose so here is one button. So in HTML we have one button tag also. Like this is your search bar, right? So in HTML we have one input tag for this. Okay. Like this is your footer. Okay, this is your footer. We have one footer tag also. Okay. Like for cards you have div and you have span also. We will learn about it. And like this many examples only. Like for links for navigating from one page to another page we have anchor tag. So we will see all those. So this thing is missed, right? We use B tag to make your text bold, and we have I tag to make your text italic. Similarly, we have strong tag also. B tag and this strong tag output is same, will look exactly same. But the difference is our browser will understand the difference. See, I'm giving the example. I'm giving here Fatima. Okay, and in strong, I'm giving the. Just observe the output. See, these two tags are looking same, exact same, like same font size, same text, and coming side by side means these are your inline elements, right? These are your inline elements. That's why it is coming side by side. So what's the difference between this bold and strong? The difference is strong means your this text is important. You are telling to the browser, see you are making a website and you are deploy it. Okay, you deploy it and so other people can use it. But first it will be scanned by your browser. Okay, first it will be scanned by your browser. First it will be scanned by your browser. So browser will check these all these tags. If this is a only a B tag, it will not give the importance. But it is a strong tag, it will give the more importance. It is important. Why I'm we are there is a difference between these. Like see when you are making a web application, it means what you are making a web application for the all the humans, right? Humans may be a somewhat blind humans are there. Visually they can't see it properly, right? What they do, they use some screen readers. Okay, they use screen readers. So what screen readers will do, it will read complete web application whatever it contains the text. Okay, so it will read this text. It is written in a strong tag, so it will take it loudly like this is a important text. Are you getting my point? Like when you use strong tag means you this text is important. Bold doesn't contain any meaning. Bold doesn't have any meaning, but when you use strong means you are telling this text is important. Just this is the only difference. Okay, any doubt in this? Can I get recorded? Can I get recorded classes of over 24? I don't intend to interrupt. I'm sorry ma'am, but I really acknowledge your efforts and value your time. Thank you. I just won't happen again ma'am. Yeah, it's okay Aisa, I can understand you just joined today. I share all the recordings in our group. Just see there. I will share it once again. Just I will share it once again. Okay, we have all the recordings. You can just watch those recordings and understand all the concepts. Okay, you guys got the difference between this bold tag and strong tag? Any doubt in this?
No.
No doubt. Anyone else? Okay, there is a small difference. B tag is doesn't contain any meaning, like it doesn't contain any importance, but bold tag is a important. Okay, similarly in the case of I tag and em tag, I also make your text italic and em also make your text italic. See, I am giving I, here I am giving Fatima. Okay, then I am using a em tag. Here I am giving, okay, same Fatima. Now let's see the difference. See, this two looks exactly same, right? But still the difference will be catch up by your browser. Means this I tag is not important, but this em tag is important. Okay, so you are just telling to the browser this is italic plus important, and it is just a italic. In output there is a no difference, but browser will understand this difference. Browser understand your tags, which tag you are using. Okay, so this is the difference. Getting my point? Any doubts in this? Any doubt in this italic and em? Same the same logic we are using. The logic we are using in this b tag and strong tag, same logic is applied in this I tag and em tag. Okay, so now let's come to some what we left. Okay, it is complete. Yeah, now let's just discuss a little bit about this anchor tag. Then we will go in depth all these things will see in our next class. Why we use anchor tag? Anchor tag, this a tag stands for anchor tag. Why we use it? To navigate from one website to another website, to navigate from one page to another page. See, this is the use cases where we can use this a tag, anchor tag, to navigate from one website to another website, to open a file, to jump from one section to another section, to download a file, to email someone. These are the four use cases. I will show you with example. See, in like it is, I think it is here, not there. Okay, see, when I'm clicking on this, okay, when I click on this, it is navigating to different page. Means it is moving from one page to another page. How it is working? It is using anchor tag for it. Okay, it is moving from one page to another page. For that purpose we use what? Anchor tag. See, suppose when I click on this Flipkart, see, it is moving from that particular page to this page. How it is moving? It is using anchor tag for it. Getting my point? Why we use anchor tag? For the purpose of moving from one page to another page, one website to another website, or there are some more use cases are there of anchor tag. Let's see in the code. Okay, I'm giving anchor a. You don't have to write anchor completely, you just have to write a. A stands for anchor. Here you have given href. Href, why we are giving href? Href, in this href we are giving the path where you want to move. Okay, suppose on click of this link we want to move to this Flipkart website. I'm just closing it. Okay, I'm pasting the link here. Okay, then I am ending, like closing this tab and giving go to Flipkart. So now what will happen? When I click on this, see, it is looking like a link only. You saw in many websites, right? When you click on it, you will move to another page. So when I click on it, I am directly redirect to Flipkart page. See, right? Okay. Similarly, you can give any kind of URL, like Amazon web URL also you can give. Okay, just I'm closing it. Here I am giving a. Here you have to give the URL. Inside this href, you have to give the URL where you want to move. So I am giving Amazon URL. I on click of this link I want to move to Amazon. See, when I click on this Amazon, I'm not clicking on this Flipkart, I'm clicking on this Amazon. See, it is opening Amazon page for me, Amazon website for me, right? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Anyone?
Show the code, man.
Yeah, sure. See, we use this href. Href is a attribute, means we are giving the extra information, right? Href is your attribute, means we are giving some extra information about this tag. So that's why we are calling it as what? Attribute. See it clearly. Any doubt now?
No, no.
Okay.
No, when we say go to Flipkart, that go we started it with an angle. That's what I was.
No, no, it is not like this. You can give any kind of text.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, it's up to you what you want to show here. You can give it like this. Go to Google also you can give. But inside you are giving what? Flipkart. So it will redirect to Flipkart only. Go to Google. Just see it here. See, it is showing go to Google. To you it is showing go to Google. But inside this path we are giving Flipkart. So it will move to Flipkart website.
Okay.
Okay. There are more multiple things. There are a lot of things in our anchor tag. We will learn about this in our next class. Okay. So what Isa was asking, let me see it. Okay, okay. So Isa, first of all, you missed two classes, right? 22nd and 23rd. You will get the recorded session for that. And for today's class also, you will get the recorded session. So no need to be worried. You can directly learn from there. But still, I am revising what we have covered in our today's session. Okay, what we have learned in our today's session, we learn about we start from this inline element, a block level element versus inline element, right? Okay, anyone having any doubt in this block versus inline? Block level element is the element which takes complete width, and inline element is the element which takes the width as per its content. Okay, so this is the basic difference between this. You will get the notes also, like whoever attending the live classes and watching the recorded session, to those only I am giving these notes, to not others, to not all. And you must have to make sure you are filling the attendance form also. I have shared in group. Okay guys, just make sure to fill the attendance form daily. Then Isa, we learn about this comments in HTML. Okay, why we use comments? So this is our second topic. Then we learn about self-closing tag. What is it? What it is? Then we learn about fav icon. That is favicon. Also you can say this icon. How to add this kind of icon. So we learn about this. And after this, we learn the difference between this strong and B tag and I and EM tag. Difference between this. Okay. Then after we learn about this BR tag also. To break your line, we use this BR tag, and we use pre tag like preserve to keeping your text preserved. For that purpose, we use what? Pre tag. Then after it, what we learn? Okay, after it, we just now we saw about this anchor tag. We use anchor tag to navigate from one page to another page. Okay, we will learn each and everything like it. See, we can use this anchor tag in multiple cases. Like in many like pages you saw, when you click on a download button, the something will be downloaded here, right? When you click on downloaded button, the file something will be downloaded. So that thing also you can do it using this anchor tag. So anyone having any doubt, or Isa, you want to ask me anything? Anyone having any doubt? Just put a message in chat box. If you don't have any doubt, just put a message no. Okay, everyone. Okay. Isa, you want to ask me anything? Okay, see, you will get all the recorded session, so no need to be worried for that. You can watch all those recorded session and learn it from there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Isa. Okay, guys, we are going to end our today's session. In our next session, we are going to learn about complete this anchor tag. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.